Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Caption of today's video is Say Yes to Her. So we begin. Human beings are born collectors and I am no different. I used to collect or even now collect books, toffee wrappers and other interesting items. One thing I never thought of acquiring was walking sticks. But alas, a walking stick acquired me one day. It happened like this. A few months back, I attended a senior citizens program. All items of entertainment were by the members. Some skits, a short speech, and many songs. The last was a lively demonstration by the elderly to the tune of a song. The song went something like this: I am 70, she is 80, and he is 86. We are walking, we are jumping. We need no walking sticks. In the end, they all symbolically threw the sticks away and came down from the stage. With a great applause, the audience rose. The program was over. I too went home. As the secretary of the club, I was the last one to leave. When I realized that someone had left his brand new walking stick in the hall, I took it with me, planning to restore it to the owner in the next meeting. I hung it by a nail on the wall in the drawing room, as I didn't want it to fall in the hands of my little grandson, who is very inquisitive. Since it was inaccessible, he had to get it. The next day, as I slept in the afternoon, he called our college going neighbor and got the stick down. When I got up after a long, refreshing sleep, I saw him playing horsey horsey with the stick and two of his friends. I did not have the heart to disturb them at all. They were so happy playing. I had also realized that I had slept so peacefully after ages, thanks to the stick that was their horse. In the next few days, all uses of the stick became crystal clear to me. A lizard, by tapping behind on the wall, could be guided out of the house. Same with cockroaches. It opened high up ventilators easily. I used it to take down the t shirts stuck in the hooks at the end of the string. I used it to start the fans which are starting trouble. All in all, the stick was a very useful item. Although I used it very rarely since it wasn't mine, I decided to return it to the owner and took it with me for the next meeting. This time, as I walked to the hall, the best point about having a stick in hand came as the most pleasant surprise for me. Normally, like all sensible pedestrians, I too have my eyes open for suspicious looking canines and am quick to change over to the safer side of the road. But this day, all stray dogs changed over to the other side. They just steered clear of me. They barked all right, but with the stick swinging in my hand, I was not afraid at all. But my step faltered as I neared the hall. After all, I had grown fond of the stick. Still, it must be returned. So I went up to the podium and announced for the person to come forward to collect it. No response. The owner had not come for the meeting. So the stick continued to decorate my wall. One day, the maid came rushing into the house, all excited. Do you know, Amma, there almost was a theft last night. She proceeded with the story. A thief had entered the house of an elderly couple in the neighborhood. Overpowering the man of the house, the thief was about to decamp with the booty. Just then, the man's wife came out with a walking stick and hit the thief on the head. Dropping the loot, the surprised thief had run away. Once again, I gave 3 cheers for the walking stick. By now, I had decided to buy an identical stick and give it to the owner. Same afternoon, I received a call from him. Someone told me, ma'am, my walking stick is with you, he queried. I said yes, with a heavy heart. I will bring it to the meeting. Or maybe you want it before? No, no, don't bring it. Actually, that's why I called you. My son has bought me a smart stick. It is really great. He went on to tell me more about his new acquisition. I'm sorry to trouble you, but could you find someone to give it away to? He asked apologetically. Oh, please, please, no trouble at all, I said happily. I can keep it myself. This is how the stick and I acquired each other. I would say it matters not whether you are 80 or 20. Age is no bar. So, say yes to the walking stick. A walking stick is an asset for you, everyone. Thank you, viewers. Please share with others and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you again.